Today we are going to talk about a book that can completely change your thinking and life. Yes, brother, I am talking about The Science of Getting Rich. This book is written by Wallace D. Wattles, and this is a book that teaches you that there is a scientific way to become rich. Now you must be thinking, brother, what is this new thing? So let me tell you, this book is not just about making money. It is a formula to change your entire mindset. Wattles explains how you can become rich by changing your thinking and taking the right action. So let's take a peek inside this amazing book and see how it can change our thinking and life. Summary of key chapters. Chapter, The Right to be Rich. Wattles first tells us that it is our right to be rich. He says that being poor is not a good thing, and every person should become rich to reach his full potential. He tells that by becoming rich you can 1. Develop your talents fully. 2. Help others. 3. Improve your life. Wattles says, life has advanced so far and become so complex that even the most ordinary man or woman requires a considerable amount of wealth in order to live in a manner that even approaches completeness. That is, money is necessary to live a good life. Chapter, There is a Science of Getting Rich. The next important chapter is about the science of becoming rich. Wattles says that becoming rich is not a random process, there is a science behind it. He explains that the main points of this science are 1. Positive thinking. 2. Gratitude. 3. Visualization. 4. Taking action. Wattles believes that if you follow these principles, you will definitely become rich. Chapter, Is opportunity monopolized? In this chapter, Wattles asks a very important question: do only a few people have the opportunity to become rich? His answer is absolutely not. He says that there are so many resources in the world that everyone can become rich. All you need is the right mindset and action. He explains that if you think that opportunities are limited, then you will never be able to become rich. But if you believe that there are opportunities for everyone, then you will be able to see those opportunities and take advantage of them. Chapter, The First Principle in the Science of Getting Rich. Wattles says that the first principle of becoming rich is thinking in a certain way. That is, thinking in a particular way. He explains that you should always think positive and have abundance. You should believe that you can become rich and have everything you want. Wattles says, to think according to appearance is easy. To think truth regardless of appearances is laborious and requires the expenditure of more power than any other work man is called upon to perform. That is, it is difficult to see the truth and think according to it, but this is the thing that will make you rich. Chapter, Increasing Life. In this chapter, Wattles explains that becoming rich does not only mean earning money, but also improving your life. He says that when you become rich, you can 1. Give a better life to your family. 2. Help your community. 3. Follow your passion. Wattles believes that when you make the life of others better, your life also becomes better. Chapter, How Riches Come to You. In this chapter, Wattles explains how riches come to you. He says that riches do not come only from hard work, but from smart work and the right mindset. He tells that to become rich, 1. Value your work. 2. Give more value to others. 3. Use your talent properly. 4. Recognize opportunities and take advantage of them. Wattles says, you must give every man more in use value than he gives you in cash value. That is, you should always give more value to others than their money. Chapter, Gratitude. In this chapter, Wattles talks about the importance of gratitude. He says that when you are thankful, you are ready to get more. He explains that gratitude, 1. Keeps your mind positive. 2. Makes you see opportunities better. 3. Makes the universe ready to give you more. Wattles says, the grateful mind is constantly fixed upon the best. Therefore it tends to become the best. That is, the thankful mind always focuses on the best things and therefore becomes the best. Chapter, Thinking in a Certain Way. In this chapter, Wattles explains how to think. He says that you should always think about success and abundance. He explains that to think in the right way, 1. Clearly define your goals. 2. Imagine achieving those goals. 3. Ignore negative thoughts. 4. Use positive affirmations every day. Wattles says, you must form a clear and definite mental picture of what you want. That is, you should clearly see in your mind what you want. Chapter, The Efficient Action. The last but very important chapter is about efficient action. Wattles says that just thinking will not do anything. You will have to take action as well. He says that for efficient action, 1. Do your work with full dedication. 2. Do something every day that takes you closer to your goal. 3. Take advantage of opportunities. 4. Trust your instincts. Wattles says, you must use your tools in a certain way and not leave it to chance or fate. That is, you should use your tools properly and not leave it to fate. So, these were the main chapters of The Science of Getting Rich. Wattles has touched upon every aspect of becoming rich in this book. Now just apply these ideas in your life and see how you become rich. Analysis. The Science of Getting Rich is a book that will blow your mind. The concepts Wattles has given are simple but powerful. He has explained the process of becoming rich with a scientific approach. Every coin has two sides, right? Some people may say that this book is a bit oversimplified. And yes, just thinking positive will not change everything. You will have to work hard and smart too. If you want to bring a big change in your financial life, then this book can be a good start. Wattles' ideas are practical and can be followed easily. Just remember, reading the book is not enough. You have to apply these principles in your life. Only then will you be able to understand the science of becoming rich and take advantage of it. Conclusion. The Science of Getting Rich is a book that gives you a new perspective on how to become rich. Wattles has taught us that becoming rich is not a game of chance, but a science. Remember, becoming rich is not just about money, it is a mindset. And this book can be your best guide in this journey. So let's reinvent our minds and adopt the science of becoming rich. Because brother, when the thinking changes, then luck will change and only then you will become rich. So friends, how did you find today's book review? Do let us know by commenting. And if you want to hear any book review, then do let us know. Thank you for listening till the end. You can also read many such book reviews on dybooks.in. See you in the next book review.